The next step in constructing our form is starting to put in some of the anatomy. If you're just starting out with anatomy, it takes a lot of practice and a lot of study and a lot of messing up. But also, to kind of roll that back, with every mess up, you have to understand what it is that you messed up. It's easy to get wrapped up into anatomy in terms of some drawings wind up looking almost like a medical drawing. And if that is your stylistic choice, then that's fine. But in the end, anatomy is just understanding how the masses of muscles look, but understanding that they change shape depending on the pose and the perspective of the figure. So to review, we would start off with our action line, build on our action line with a stick form or a skeletal form. On top of that, build our proportionate mannequin. And then on top of this proportionate mannequin, we start building in the anatomy. As I said earlier, it's important to understand not just the shape of the anatomy, but understand that those muscles change shape depending on the pose and the perspective of the form that you're trying to draw. Muscles basically have two states, flexed and relaxed. Muscles will also serve one of two purposes. They're either meant to pull objects or push objects. So this is why it's important to understand that when you start rendering the muscles, you have to look at the form that you're trying to outline so that when you start mapping in the muscles to them, you'll see that it follows the pose that you've developed, but it also follows the proportions and the perspective, and that the muscles change shape based off of how close they are, how they are flexed, or if they're relaxed. That the mannequin form underneath the muscular form is just to show us where the joints are going to fall when I draw them, and that they're tapered in certain ways so that I can better draw the anatomy on top of them.